friends, welcome to Coach Foundation. I'm your personal coach Vishal Sharma, and after we shot our first video, we had a lot of requests coming in from a lot of people asking for more clarity on the kind of work we do. So out of all the questions that we have here, I finally decided to answer 6 questions. Answers to these 6 questions will give you complete clarity on the kind of work we do and how you can benefit from the same.
Question 1. As an organization, what kind of trainings does Coach Foundation focus upon?
So as an organization, Coach is a place which empowers people to express themselves without fear, accept themselves for who they are, identify areas of improvement, create an action plan and undertake every possible step, put in every possible effort required for their growth and development. Coach is also a place where kids and adults come. They come to empty all their frustration, all their stress, all their anxieties, worry, and they return home a happy person. Coach helps people to discover the most compassionate, loving and caring aspect of their personality through storytelling, through meditation, through reflection and innovative counseling techniques. So, as an organization, Coach conducts a large number of workshops and training programs which are primarily focused upon improving the emotional and psychological well-being of its members and participants.
Question 2. Is Coach Foundation a typical personality development institute?
It wouldn't be too fair to say that, because Coach is so much more than any personality development institute. Well, at Coach, we do conduct workshops on personality development, confidence building, anger and stress management. However, apart from all this, we also train students for medical entrance exams like CET and NEET. We conduct highly intense and specialized training programs on memory building and neuro-linguistic programming. We conduct career counseling and personality assessment. We also undertake counseling and treatment of students and adults suffering from anxiety, addiction, depression, panic attacks, insomnia and other lifestyle disorders.
Question 3. Tell us about your team at Coach Foundation.
So at Coach, we have an extremely talented pool of experts. Experts belonging to different fields. Experts from medicine, psychology, law, finance, music, education, all of them working towards a common cause, all of them working towards one single goal of community development. And we're always on the lookout for fresh talent. People with exceptional drive for learning and development are most welcome to be a part of our team.
Question 4. How many students have you trained?
So, I and my team have been at this for a decade now, and we must have trained thousands of students across the length and breadth of Maharashtra. We've imparted training to corporates, schools and colleges of national and international repute. These include medical and engineering colleges like D.Y. Patil, Bharati Vidyapeeth, COEP, management institutes like IIMS, CIEGAT to name a few. And we've not only trained students at these places, but we've also trained faculties, professors, teaching and non-teaching staff. I and my team have worked very closely with the Department of Health Sciences at Savitribai Phule, Pune University to design lectures and workshops primarily around mental and emotional health, and we've conducted these trainings not only in the urban areas but in the ruralmost parts of Maharashtra.
Question 5. How can students benefit from Coach Foundation?
At Coach, we build incredibly powerful training programs. Here, you learn to maintain your composure and your balance of mind in emotionally challenging situations. You learn to lead a life full of gratitude and compassion. And most importantly, at our training programs, you learn to face your fears, overcome hate, guilt and denial by practicing forgiveness. At Coach, we promise to never leave you alone, pull you through tough times and stand by you no matter what, because we believe that together we can create a beautiful today and a promising tomorrow.
Question 6. Message for the youth from Coach Foundation.
Yeah, certainly. Today I know we all as a nation are going through some really tough times. But even then, even during these times, I would like to make a conscious effort to focus on the positive. Today we have a good amount of time with us to read, play, learn, introspect, reflect, and do things which we usually don't find time for in our daily hectic schedules. Let's make the best use of these times. Let's use this time to share, connect, be part of activities, groups and communities that help us grow as a person. You can be a part of our growing community by subscribing to our channel. Share your love by hitting the like button and sharing this video with as many people as possible. People in your circle who seem lost, confused, hurt or broken, or simply who are searching for a purpose in life, get them to coach and we'll help them out. Let's come together and help someone